All right, guys, we are outside of Tuesday morning. I've got Lana with me. We are going to go and see if we can't find some awesome things in a kind of crappy Tuesday morning to do this Kill a Kit with style. So let's see what we can do. We got some paper pads, some exciting stuff. Horizon. I've worked with that, so I definitely don't want that. That's pretty. Those florals are pretty. 12 papers. That would definitely be able to kill a kit, so that's an option. Fall blessings. I don't really have a lot of fall things. Ooh, this one. Okay, we got two options. Now we're gonna look at this stuff and see what options match up. If you wanted that cute sewing machine, it's right there. It's only 50 bucks. But like I said, it's just a $50 decoration. I love these glitter bags. They're bags of glitter. That's awesome. Can you imagine them if it busted? Probably not something to use for a kit either.
That would be bad.
Okay.
Exploded.
Let's flip. Lana keeps finding the good mixed media stuff. Don't worry, we're gonna add mixed media because look what I found. Glitter based. Okay, it took a bit, but I think I might have finally found some alphabet options and some, well, maybe one alphabet option. We might be going silver glitter thickers here, people. Okay, so we just walked out of Tuesday morning and our ride is asleep in the car, but we did find some amazing things that I'm actually pretty excited about. I can't wait to get them home, pull them out, and show them to you guys because my kit ended up being something like $11. Is that right? Yep, $11. So we'll see what I can do with that mess. Okay guys, I am back home from Tuesday morning. We did our errands. We went to Costco, all that fun stuff. And I got in my jammies, so let me show you the kit that I'm working with. Now I thought that this was gonna be about $25, but when I got to the register and she rang me out, it was only 11 something. So this was like a super score for this kit. I decided to go with this Pebbles collection from 2014 called Birthday Wishes. It has 12 papers in it. And it was $2.29, but it was less because, like I said, all of this ended up being $11. So it's a thinner paper, but it's got double-sided. So the birthday stuff, you don't have to use the birthday stuff. I really just liked it for the colors. Like I really just thought that this was like, that's birthday, so we won't be using that. That's birthday. Oh, and they're all the same. Okay, so if I could cut some of these out. Who knows? We might cut some of those out and use those as strips instead of candles. Let's eat cake and celebrate. I mean, maybe. This definitely says happy birthday. Could fussy cut some of these out. So we'll see. But I was super excited to use these colors because I really, really like them. I also got 2 sets of thickers, and I actually already own both of these thickers, so I don't mind having a second set of each. I have this one where it's like the pink and the shadow, and then this foam. This is like a chipboard. This is a true chipboard. Doesn't have like the paper over the foam, and then this is this black foam, and I thought that this was great because it had some black in it. and I love colorful with black. So we have those 2 stickers. And I also got the Truly Grateful puffy stickers. I thought that these colors were great, and it's got like a little bit of an enamel dot thing going on. And then speaking of enamel dots, I got these Bo Bunny candy dots, 104 of them, and they are small and smaller. So only 2 sizes, which might be a little bit of a struggle for me because I do like putting in clusters of 3 different sizes, but the pinks I thought were a great match. I also picked up this Vicky Bouton sticker book. It has 8 pages. This is from 2019, so, you know, it is a recent thing. But it has black, and it has gold, and it has lots of the same kind of colors. And even though there's a lot of cream based stickers in here, I thought that it went well enough with the papers so that it goes well. And there's just like everything in here, labels, tags, just words, tiny words, all kinds of great stuff. Some funky little owls, like there's lots of great stuff in here. Next, I got this from Momenta, and they're just some stickers. Some have wood veneer, some have some cork. So just great, like I thought these were great color matches and not too like themed. Not too themed, so that went well. And then I got this Project Life kit, and this is from 2014, and what is it? Note to self, maybe? So, how do we open this bad boy? I probably should have been a little bit prepared and had this ready to go, but, you know, sometimes you just don't do that kind of thing. Okay. So I got this because it was $4, but cheaper. Because like I said, everything rang up super cheap. So it has wood veneer, painted wood veneer, and like a whole bunch of it. It has a couple big wood veneer pieces that I thought could be used as titles. It's got the 4x6 cards. It's even, I mean, tons and tons of wood veneer. And like if you don't want to use the painted side, you just flip it over and use the unpainted side. And then the cards. And I figured I could either punch things out, or cut things out, fussy cut, or even just use the cards like this, even though the rounded corners aren't like the absolute favorite. And then I also picked up this washi tape from Amy Tangerine, and this is 2017. I could not tell you which collection it is whatsoever. I don't know why I decided to pick up the washi tape, because I have a ridiculous amount of washi tape already. So there is that. We're just going to pull that off because I'm not going to keep the container, so it doesn't have to be beautiful. So then we have these washi tapes, and I thought that these were great color matches for what I have. Some of them are a little bit bolder, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with bringing in the bold. I really liked the black and white heart, the diagonal stripe, the green. I really like this little half circle one, the floral, the one with the little arrow things, and this funky gold. The only thing that I wasn't like screaming yes I love was the lemons, but it works, like the colors work. So this is my Tuesday morning kit, you guys, from a Tuesday morning that, you know, was a little bit of an effort to find the things. It took forever to be able to dig through and actually find the things. So here it is. So I am super excited to be playing with this kit this month. So make sure you ring the bell so you get notifications when new videos come out, and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of them. I will see you guys again real soon.